Chennai, also known as Madras, is the vibrant capital of the state of Tamil Nadu in India. On the first week of December 2023, heavy rains and strong winds battered the entire city when Cyclone Mashong hit the southeastern coastal area.
It was unexpected in the month of December 2023 when we faced this flood.
That is a day that I won't forget for a long while, right? There was a time when boat even came in front of our home, right?
The flood day, horrible day. I didn't expect that the flood could be so severe.
We were in a pool of water for nearly 5-7 days nearly.
I was totally shattered. I was completely shattered. It was completely very in a horrible situation.
I got my first car delivered in October 2023. Right? It was a white color i20 Asta option car with a sunroof on it. Right? So it was a different feeling for me because me owning a car for the first time, and second is I'm new to driving, right? So driving an i20 was like a breeze for me.
I was with him because I only took the vehicle from the the dealership. I only drove from the dealership venue to home. It was absolutely a new experience of how the ride. And I was painful like the day just 1 month baby got affected.
December 4th of 2023 cyclone வந்தது. பட் நான் கார் பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணது அக்டோபர் 27 of 2023. 10 நாள் தான் கார் ஓட்டினது, 200 கிலோமீட்டர்ஸ் தான் ஓட்டியிருப்பேன். திடீர்னு பார்த்தா சைக்ளோனில் அஃபெக்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு. நான் என் காரை போய் பார்க்கறதுக்கே கிட்டத்தட்ட 5 days ஆச்சு. ஏன்னா அந்த வாட்டர் லெவல் கம்மியான பிறகு தான் நான் உள்ளே போனோம். கார் ஃபுல்லாக உள்ளே திறந்து பார்க்குறேன், எல்லாமே நனைஞ்சு கிடக்குது. சீ லெவல் வரைக்கும் எனக்கு தண்ணி போயிருக்கு. எனக்கு ஷாக்கிங்காக இருந்தது.
So my car got flooded basically. So once I stooped down and saw the window and my car bonnets were above water, I couldn't imagine what I can do for the car.
Car எனக்கு எவ்வளோ இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்னா, in my whole family we didn't have any luxury to buy a car. So after my job and my wife's job, we planned to buy a car. Myself and my wife got into the Grand i10 Neos. We bought in last year.
You believe or not, I used to take care of the cars like my baby. And even daily washing, cleaning and all, I used to do in my own, myself only.
May 2023, I purchased my vehicle. But unfortunately, during the floods in December, my car was flooded. In fact, my entire house was flooded, and I was praying that nothing should have happened to the car. I was not even bothered about my house. I was just bothered about my car.
பொதுவாக சென்னையில் டிசம்பர்னாவே நம்மளுக்கு ஹெவி ரெயின் இருக்கும் எப்போவுமே பொதுவாகவே. இந்த வாட்டி என்னென்னா கம்பேர்ட் டு ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் ஹெவி ரெயின்ஸ் இன் நார்த் மெட்ராஸ் அண்டு சவுத் மெட்ராஸ். ஸோ ப்ரீவியஸாகவே நாங்கள் கஸ்டமர்ஸ்க்கு பிஃபோர் அலர்ட் கொடுத்துட்டு தான் இருக்கோம். ஏன்னா எங்கள் சென்னை வானிலை மையத்துலேருந்து வந்த அலர்ட் எல்லாமே அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி Hyundai brokerலேருந்தும் எங்களுக்கு எங்கள் பாலிசி நாங்கள் ரெனியூல் பண்ணிக்கலைங்களா, Hyundai brokerலேருந்து டேரெக்டாகவே கஸ்டமர்ஸ்க்கு அலர்ட் கொடுக்க ஆரம்பித்தாங்க Hyundai India Insurance Brokerலேருந்து.
November 30th, we started what we call informing customers through SMS to take care of the vehicles to park in an area where there is no water logging. All this happened, and unavoidably the flood was very severe, more than we expected on December 4th and 5th.
I've been getting messages from insurance and also from Hyundai. What to do, what not to do, not to operate the car, not to use the kickstart, or not to start the car also, engine also. They have been sending messages to keep me updated what to do and what not to do.
Until the steering, I think the water level came up here. So that was very bad. Like after 7 days when I took my car, it was stinking actually. So I had to hand over it. That's it.
Totally my water got locked in completely till dashboard. ஸோ my family டோட்டலாக ஷட்டட் ஆகிட்டோம். Immediately I tried to connect with the Hyundai app to tow my vehicle.
More than flood, cars were flooding the workshops. We expected some 500-600 cars, and first stage the reporting is 1,500, and 24/7 we had what you call some of our cars, what you call trucks picking up, and Hyundai Insurance Company came into the picture. And
at that time we were completely shocked. We don't know what to do then. And in fact, Hyundai India Insurance Company, along with their colleagues and their staff, they came to us for rescue.
The Hyundai Insurance Broking company immediately, were in touch with us after the floods in Chennai. And once the normalcy returned, the senior team of Hyundai Broking Insurance Company was there. They had an exhaustive meeting with us, and they assured us of all the support from the insurance companies, and they were instrumental in bridging the gap between us and the insurance companies and ensuring that we get proper support from the insurance company.
Hyundai India Insurance Broking has an RTA which is called True RTA.
When a customer takes a RTA for his vehicle, when he meets with any natural calamities like fire or floods or for any natural calamities, the car will be replaced in a new one to the customer. It's like the ex-showroom price of the car, the insurance part, and as well as the registration, road tax will be covered, and a new car will be replaced in the old one.
Hyundai Insurance, they told me that with regard to this RTA, it's a true RTA package. So I was also a bit, I couldn't digest or get the concept what is the true RTA, because premium is same in other companies also, and going for Hyundai, because we have the option of taking insurance outside also, and also with Hyundai also once we go for a purchase of new car. At the time of claim only I could understand that it was a real true value actually.
The interesting thing about return to invoice is this is true return to invoice, right? So that is a really fascinating scheme for me, because let's say I bought this car for like 14 lakhs, okay, and of course incidentally what happened with my case is I bought the car in October, and the very next month the road tax got increased, right? So what happened is with this true return to invoice policy, the benefit is the insurance company is supposed to pay the actual date value of that particular car. Let's say for example I bought it for 13.7 lakh, okay, and right now the car's value is 14.10 lakh, so they'll put extra top up to lift you out of misery, and that is the amazing feature of this product is what I think.
Regarding the insurance, they were very kind enough to process with less documents and deliver my car on time.
Hyundai India Insurance Broking வந்து நமக்கு ரொம்ப சப்போர்ட்டிவாக இருந்துச்சு சார். எக்ஸாம்பிள் எப்படின்னா பேப்பர்லெஸ் கிளைம் கூட ப்ராசஸ் பண்ணாங்க சார். உங்களுக்கு எந்த கஸ்டமர் யாரையும் சஃபர் பண்ண வேணான்னு சொல்லிட்டு பேப்பரே வேணாம், ஜஸ்ட் பாலிசி நம்பர் இருந்தால் போதும், அதை வச்சு நீங்கள் இன்டிமேட் பண்ணுங்கள். அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் டோட்டல் லாஸ் கண்டிஷனில் இருக்கிற வண்டி எல்லாத்துக்குமே வீட்டில் போய் சர்வே பார்க்கறதுக்கு Hyundai India Insurance Broking ரொம்ப சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுச்சு சார். ஆக்சுவலாக இது வேறு எங்கேயும் பண்ணல சார். ஆக்சுவலாக இதனால மேக்ஸிமம் கஸ்டமர் திருப்பி Hyundai ரீட்டைன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு சார். ஆக்சுவலாக நம்ம கேரேஜை பொறுத்தவரை நம்ம டீமுக்கு வீடியோ லிங்க் ஷேர் பண்ணிடுறாங்க, வீடியோ மூலியமாகவே சப்போர்ட் பண்ணி கொடுத்தாங்க. இது மூலமாக சர்வே பார்க்குற டைமிங்கை சீக்கிரமாக சேவ் பண்ண முடிஞ்சுது சார் எங்களால். இதனால எங்களுக்கு வந்து வேகமாக வேலையும் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் சீக்கிரமாக அப்ரூவல் கிடைக்கிறதுக்கும் எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியாக இருந்தது சார்.
I surrendered the vehicle on the 6th of December, 30th of December invoicing was made, and first it went for the registration. It almost within 30 days I took the vehicle.
Hyundai India Insurance Broking அந்த என்டையர் டீம் வந்து எந்த வித ஒரு டென்ஷனும் எனக்கு கொடுக்கல. யூஸ்வலாக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம ஏதாவது ஒன்றுனா ஏகப்பட்ட லீகல் ஃபார்மாலிட்டிஸ் இருக்கும், அது பண்ணணும் இது பண்ணணும்னுவாங்க. பட் எதுவுமே சார் நீங்கள் எதுவும் கவலைப்படாதீங்க, நாங்கள் பார்த்துக்குறோம் அப்படின்னாங்க. நான் வாட்டம் என் வேலையை பார்க்கறதுக்கு ஷூட்டிங் பார்க்கறதுக்கு அப்படி வந்துட்டேன். ஃபைனலாக அவங்களே வந்து உள்ளே வந்து என்னென்ன டாக்குமெண்டேஷனும் என்ன ஒரு கஷ்டமும் படுத்தலை. ஸோ அவங்க வந்து அந்த சொன்ன விஷயம் வந்து அந்த ட்ரூ ரிட்டன் டு இன்வாய்ஸ் அது எல்லாமே அழகாக செஞ்சு கடைசியாக ஒரு புது காரு Feb 10th அன்னைக்கு நான் எடுத்தேன், வித்தவுட் எனி எக்ஸ்ட்ரா காஸ்ட்.
Today I have bought the car new. I mean, I have the feeling like that. I requested them, sir, whatever that cost, you please reimburse. Instead of don't go for, I'm not interested, go for, total loss. That way you helped me like that, and they understood my feeling, and everything it was settled fully. That way I am very much thankful to that HIAB.
was my second car. It just took like 1.5 months exactly for all this process to go through, and it was so easy for me because there was so much of support from Hyundai side as well.
Definitely, without HIB support, our customers would not have got the same amount of claim settlement. So, in which case, I would not have been sure whether they would have. So many customers would have again purchased back a Hyundai car after having lost their car in the flood. So, definitely on the sale perspective, HIB has helped retain Hyundai customers within the family, meaning whichever customers lost their cars in the flood, they've come back and purchased a Hyundai vehicle again.
See, when I am totally at a loss and someone gives a hand to pull me up, it is the best time and best thing a friend can do, or a person who is really interested in you can do, which Hyundai I think has given. This HIB, the policy they tailor make and give it to all the persons, all the customers. It is really cool. I believe that no other company will do this than HIB.
I have to thank that Hyundai India Insurance Broking and True Return to Investment. நல்லவேளை அது நிறைய பேர் வந்து அது தெரியாமல் இருப்பாங்க. தயவு செஞ்சு அதை தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. உங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக ஹுண்டாயில் கார் எடுக்கும்போது அந்த பர்சன்ஸ் வந்து உங்களுக்கு அதை சொல்லுவாங்க. அது உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். டோன்ட் ஃபர்கெட் தட். கொஞ்சம் காசுக்கு பார்த்துட்டு அதை எடுக்காமலாம் விட்டுறாதீங்க.
My neighbors are using different brands. They are still struggling to get their claims. Both the neighbors are struggling to get their claims. We are happy.
We are very glad to be a Hyundai customer.
Whoever is a customer, for Hyundai customer, whenever I used to interact with the customer, I always tell them to go with HIB insurance, because anything insurance company will be taking care of it anytime. And even customer is not only in Chennai, pan India, it goes to any Hyundai authorized service center, it remains the same. Whatever the process we do here, the same process will be carried out there also. So you will not feel like he is dealing with a third party.
From my personal experience, I would like to tell all of you and recommend to go for HIB insurance, because they have helped me a lot compared to what I've heard from my friends and others regarding the insurance. I strongly recommend HIB for your car.
One thing that I want to conclude with is whenever you are buying a car, just make sure that you have Hyundai India Insurance Broking's coverage as a part of your plan, because that will give you a better life in terms of just driving your car and not worrying about anything else.